Today we will send out international arrest warrants for the first suspects that we will prosecute. They will also be placed on national and international wanted lists. And because of that, we will reveal their full names and we will show you their pictures. And the four persons are Igor Girkin, Sergei Dubinsky, Oleg Pulatov, and Leonid Karchenko.
The police chief also added that all four suspects were in eastern Ukraine on July 17, 2014, the day of the plane crash, and that they, quote, played a crucial part in the armed conflict and had important positions. All 298 passengers and crew members were killed after a missile shattered the plane in midair. It was en route to Kuala Lumpur from Amsterdam. The recent announcement further pointed fingers at Moscow, but Russia denies any involvement in the incident.